Hi, this is Jake at Optery. Here's the step-by-step instructions for removing your information from PeopleSmart. By the way, this is brought to you by Optery, the best company for removing your personal information from the internet. First, on the PeopleSmart website, scroll down the page and click on the Do Not Sell My Personal Information. You will be redirected to BeenVerified that handles opt-outs for PeopleSmart. Again, click on Do Not Sell My Info. Enter your first and last name, choose your state address, then click Search. From the search results, locate your profile and click Proceed to Opt Out. Enter your email address in the opt-out submission form, complete the security CAPTCHA, then click Send Verification Email. A verification email with information regarding your opt-out request will be received. Check your inbox for an opt-out email and open. Click Verify Opt-out. Your PeopleSmart data removal is now confirmed. Congratulations on opting out of PeopleSmart. You have taken a simple but important step towards reclaiming your privacy. However, there are hundreds of people search sites. They are constantly changing, and it's nearly impossible to stay on top of these data brokers. That is why Optery offers the free exposure report. The exposure report shows screenshots from sites that have your data with links to let you see that data right on the site. Use the exposure report and our how-to guides to opt yourself out for free, or sign up for an Optery paid plan, and Optery will handle the monitoring and removals for you and your family members. Bonus tip: if you're a business owner worried about the security of your employees, we also have Optery for Business. Go to optery.com to sign up for your free exposure report.